but no. That nigga munch, nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga munch, nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch, stay bad, let's keep it a beam. Don't be mad, I be on the scene. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna be doing a maintenance. I'm kind of excited because I don't know, like we're gonna be messing with my hair, which I don't really like doing. I hate messing with my hair. I just find wigs so much more easier. Like, I'm such a busy person. So I need to do my brows. Look at this, y'all. Like, that's awful. Also, I need to take these pinks out because I think I just want my lashes to be all black this time. I was thinking of adding color, but I don't know what color I would do. I don't even know what color I'm gonna do my nails. I'm thinking of doing like red and green, you know, like a little strawberry look, since I kind of just did like this like neon hot pink. Actually, the first thing I want to do is wash my hair and style it, and then I feel like everything else is going to be easier to do. We could jam for a little bit and then we'll go in time lapse. So I got all my braids out. I still have like glue and stuff stuck in my hair on the sides. I'm not really worried about that. And yeah, so my hairs and my eyebrows are done. Let me see what time it is. 4:34. So now I just need to get into the shower pretty much. Okay, y'all, also don't mind how I look. Okay, anyways, right now I'm about to take these colored lashes off because I think I'm gonna do my lashes like maybe tomorrow. I don't know, but I just want to take them off now. Okay, y'all, so it is the next day. So now I'm about to do my lashes. This side is the side that just really needs done. But yeah, so I'm gonna set you guys up so you guys can watch me do my lashes. I might be eating if I'm being honest, but I'm also gonna be watching TV if you guys see me like look off to the side or something. And yeah. Can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not what it seems. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's toting a beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking me like that on me. Baddest bitch, how you shitting me? If you ain't a baddie, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini-me's. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their necks, they's not breathing. I'm gonna check. Okay, y'all, so I got one eye done. It's looking real cute. I honestly missed it. I didn't even notice how big of a gap this was, y'all. But now I'm about to do the second eye, and yeah. Bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back on my bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm with a full clip, and my shooters, they shooting. I'm gonna take it like Chris. Okay, y'all, so I think it's like the next day, and I'm about to cut my nails, and I don't think I have enough time to gel them because I have a client, but she's my last one for today, so I'm just gonna cut them so I can finish her set faster.
I get the breeze, then it's adios. If I'm with the trees, then she give it though. When I see police, then we gang low.
Okay, y'all, so I just cut. Yeah, those pink ones.
Here.
Okay, I'm about to get them.
What do you mean, the Windex?
No, my coconut spray.
I gave it to you.
No, you didn't.
I did.
No, because it's not up here.
It's not in my bathroom.
You gotta look for it.
Oh, it might be in my room because I didn't want to.
Yeah, just like how you lost the mail key.
I gave you that. You said you go sit upstairs.
Well, we need another one.
You didn't know where you went.
Okay, y'all, so by the way, I'm literally so obsessed with my lashes, y'all. I'm so happy I decided to go all black because they just look so cute, y'all. And I'm just loving the fullness. I'm loving the fluffiness. But oops, not the dog hair, but I cut them, y'all. So next time y'all see me, I'm gonna be doing my new set. I'm gonna try something and see if it works. I bought these. It's okay, we need another one then. I bought me these glow-in-the-dark powder pigments, and I'm gonna mix it into the formula that I want to make and see if it works, because I want my set to glow since the chrome isn't. I want to do another glow set and see if it glows more than the gel polishes did. So yeah, like I said, next time you see me, we'll be working on my new set.
That's another piece, that's another zone. Ice in the VV, now she down to get treachy. I got all this water on me like Fiji. Bitch, I'm posted up with hats and the sleazies. Smoking the Zaza, they go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Open his tata, then he dancing my cha-cha. Smoking the Zaza, they go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Then I'm open his tata, then he dancing my cha-cha. Whooped it, bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two.
Alright, hey y'all, it's the next morning and I just got out the shower, by the way. I brushed my hair out and I'm trying to like blow dry a tad bit so it has like a volume, because I think I'm just gonna wear it down. I'm gonna do like a bang and then wear the rest down. I think it's gonna look super cute. So yeah, also these are my nails, y'all, from last night. I'm literally so in love, y'all. My boyfriend really popped off with picking this set for me. This set also glows in the dark, y'all. This set glows in the dark, so this isn't just no typical set. But yeah, I'm gonna put you guys in time lapse so you guys can watch me do my hair. I do have my robe on, so I'm gonna try not to give you guys any, because I wanted to do my hair before I had put my dress on so nothing would fall on.
Early in the morning, late at night. It don't even matter what time it is. Presidential, rolling, Oreo, wait. Whenever I found time, it's okay. ATL Jacob.
Okay, y'all, so my hair is still drying. I was thinking about going under like my dryer vent, but I decided that it would also be good to just let it air dry. My hair is done and I honestly love it. I think it's super cute, y'all. But yeah, it looks so cute and full in person. I feel like it looks so dumb on camera, but yeah, I'm probably gonna sit under there because I really want these curls to like dry hanging and stuff like that. So yeah, but anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and bye.